This blue 10- is called Roar of the Raging Waterfall.
This was an interesting technical route with a fun dynamic move. There are many ways to do this sequence, but I believe the setter intended for a dynamic pull into a compression. To set up for this move, I got my feet higher so that when I pulled up, I would naturally be in a standing position, ready to catch the compression. For these upcoming moves, I opted to utilize multiple drop knee stems to statically reach up. Remember to make use of the wall when applicable, as it can help with leaning transitions and overall stability. When stepping on the slanted volume with the left foot, flagging right prevents barn dooring and helps with the pressure angle. Try to drive the heel towards the body or volume when stepping on volume holds that are running on the side slanting away from your position. This helps to keep you more locked in place when moving upward.